I can just imagine what kind of a helmet they'd be driving with, right? To have them, the sensors hooked up to your brain, but
Or-
very, very unique.
Or is it something attached somewhere else?
Yeah,
you know?
who knows?
Yeah.
I'm
Special
interested to
glasses.
see where that goes and if it works out. All right, we did talk about snow briefly for our region. It's going to come. I want to show you our inversion, very visible, of course, on the St. Al's camera in Nampa. We've even had some fog form in the Caldwell area. Not super visible right now, but there are some reduced visibilities in the Nampa and Caldwell area. Still 4 miles of visibility in Caldwell, 7 in Nampa, so nothing too dangerous at this point. But again, we do have that chance of fog forming with, of course, our inversion that's in place, and air quality, of course, is also impacted as we saw all the haze on that web camera as well. I want to show you some of the temperature contrast just because of that low-level cloud cover, if not fog, in Caldwell and Nampa. Already below freezing, just 28 there in Caldwell and Nampa, 33 still here in Boise. We did reach 34 today, 32 in Ontario. So the main story, we've been under a ridge of high pressure parked over the Gem State right now, blocking most of the incoming storms coming in from the Pacific Northwest. We do have another disturbance down off the Gulf of the coast of California, which is going to bring some precipitation up our way, likely just cloud cover for our region. We'll have some showers surrounding our area, I think, in some of the higher terrain, but for the most part, it's a pretty weak storm system. We'll break it down for you in just a moment. We do have a larger pattern change that's on the way. It'll be here late on Friday, a wintry mix in the valley Friday late overnight into Saturday. Mountain valleys could see 1 to 3 inches of snow, mountains 3 to 6. Now these projections are early still, they could change, but at this point it looks like it's a fairly decent storm system. Futurecast putting into motion that swath of moisture that's going to come up out of California. A lot of the moisture will be wringed out as it moves over the high Sierras and into the Great Basin, but as it moves into southwest Idaho, where again we're expecting mainly cloud cover, a slight chance of some showers maybe in the Baker Valley area and north of McCall, but overall it's going to fizzle out. The bigger storm system will essentially combine with an area moving in from the northwest, a subtropical batch of moisture that will move inland, bringing us just slight risk of some showers earlier in the day Friday, but the bulk of the precipitation will be here Friday evening. Notice this is 10 o'clock, a chance of some showers moving along a prefrontal boundary as the bulk of the precipitation moves in. Again, mainly mountain, snow, and valley rain showers are expected into Saturday with, again, a wintry mix here in the valleys. Not a whole lot in the way of accumulation, if any. So as far as precipitation goes, for Thursday, that weak disturbance moving through, nothing expected. Into Friday evening, again, we'll start to see some shower activity through Saturday as well. At this point, it's looking pretty healthy for the lower elevations, about 1/4 inch of rain expected here in the valleys and a few inches, as I mentioned, up in the mountain valleys. So your extended forecast for the Treasure Valley, temperatures remaining in the mid-30s through at least Saturday. That's when that storm will be here, though. Friday night into Saturday. Partly cloudy on Sunday, temperatures staying in the mid to upper 30s, so near seasonal averages, and there's still a chance we could see another round of showers as we head into the end of next week. But for right now, a weak ridge of high pressure will build in for Monday and Tuesday. Mountains seeing snow late in the day on Friday. Showers will linger into Saturday, and then we should clear out for the latter half of the weekend and early on into next week with temperatures right at or just above the freezing mark. So a good fresh 3 to 6 inches of snow, I think, for the ski resorts will be very welcomed as we head into the weekend.
Good. And the overnight lows aren't too bad in the valley.
Not too bad. And we've been good with the inversion. We're just starting to see it deteriorate today with that fog in the lower valley, and it'll be swept out of here by Friday.
Yeah, it was an interesting picture seeing that layer.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's thickened up quite a bit since yesterday. Right. So.